So we're out in the car and it's really chilly. It's a cold morning and we didn't let the car warm up because we're on the way to Home Depot. We're going to pick up some materials for my easel, and yeah, I'm so excited. And hubby's going to be building it for me later today, and I'm going to help as much as I can. And yeah, so stick around for that. We're going to be building an easel today.
So we're using piano hinges, and they're 24-inch piano hinges. And what we're going to do is we're going to fasten a 2x4 to the studs, and then fasten the maple plywood to the 2x4, which is attached to the stud. And it should be totally hidden, but it should allow the easel part or the table part to move back and forth, so we can get a bit of an angle depending upon what the artist is working on. And so the next finicky bit is just attaching the 2x4s to the wall, level and at the correct height. That my beautiful wife wants.
Aren't you going to attach that first before you attach the 2x4s to the wall?
No, I'm going to attach the 2x4 to the wall, but I'm going to attach the hinge to the plywood before, and that way when the 2x4 is on the wall, all we have to do is screw it on. I think there's, what, 12 holes?
Yeah.
12 holes in each piano hinge. And it'll work.
And this is not going to get in the way of the wall when you're screwing down?
Nah, I got something for that.
Alright.
You may have to do it by hand. Yeah, Bobbie Jo will probably have to do it by hand. But that's okay. It's a good wrist strengthening exercise. Excellent for painting.
Welcome to my studio. We're here to build an easel. My husband's downstairs getting some tools, and then we're going to go ahead and get started putting the easel up onto the wall where it will remain fixed and a part of my office studio. So, here we go. Right now he's looking for the studs, and he's looking for the center of the studs to make sure that we screw it in the right place and it stays up. Is that thick enough? Is that dime?
Yeah, I gotta grab the other battery. Now let's hope that the stud finder works.
And that those are actually studs?
Yeah.
That would be good. What is that, a Robinson?
Yeah.
Works! Yay! in straight. It's a really good match. Perfect match.
Yeah.
Looks great.
Yeah, I think so.